Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Skill Lab Tutorials, one lesson at a time. In today's video I am going to explain a new program, that is Biodata. So in this program you will be knowing how data types are behaving and how to take input from the user and how to find the type of the variable or data type. All this will be covered in this video. If you haven't watched my previous video, please go and watch. There you can find the basics of Python and some basic syntaxes. So let me quickly start this program, that is Biodata. Biodata, all we know, it will be covering all data of a person. So first let me start with name. Here I am giving name as a variable and I am using input function. This input function is used to take input from the user. So here I am giving input like first let me run this. So what you can see the blank screen. That means user will not be understand what the system is expecting. In program we can see name, but here we don't see anything, like we don't know what to enter, like it may be name or age or date of birth, anything. So for user understanding purpose, here we are writing enter name, so that user will be understanding, yes, system is asking me to enter a name. Okay, let me try to print it also. Print of name. Let me run it again. So as you can see here I am giving skill up, so it is displaying it here correctly. But here you can do one more thing, that is like you can specify it as name, and here you can use plus symbol or comma. Now first let me try with comma. Comma means here after this colon space is not there, so if we write comma then we will get space. Let me show you. Let me view skill up one more time. As you can see here space is there, so comma will give space. And let's try plus. Plus means concatenation, concatenating two strings. This is one string and this is one more string, so we are concatenating it. Concatenating means merging two strings. So skill up. As you can see here there is no space between these two strings, so as you wish you can use this. And now let me take age. Age is an integer, so we can give input of, let me write it here age, so that user will be understanding. Yes, and let me print it, that is age. Here input is same, but here we are specifying that the user will be giving integer, so that system will validate if it is giving integer or not. If it is not giving integer, and then it will throw an error. Let me try this. Skill up, let's give age as 22, so it is giving 22. So let me try to print all statements once, so that would be better. And here also I am giving age. And one more thing is, like here I am giving comma. We can give comma for anything, like let me show you so that you will understand. Skill up and let's give 22. This is how it is displaying. Here you cannot use plus symbol, because plus is only used when you are concatenating two strings. As here this is the string, but this is integer, not a string. Let me show you that print of type of age. If you use this type function, then this will display the type of the variable. Let me run this. Yes, you can see here this is the integer type, so age is integer type. Why we are getting this error means only concatenate string, we cannot concatenate with integer. So as I said before, we can only concatenate two strings, not one string and one integer. So this is, let me change this as comma and let me remove this, and we taken name and age. Let's take age here. Let me remove this. So let's take height equal to, height will be some 5.6 inches, 4.2 inches like this. So we can take it as float of input of enter your height. Here text may be anything, that is user specific thing. Yes, and I am printing this, print of height. Here I am also giving comma only, not plus. So let me run this. Skill up, age is 22 and height is 5.4. See, all these displayed like this. And next we can go for gender. Gender will be always string, so enter your gender. Enter gender is fine. So let me print this also, print of gender comma gender. Here you can use plus if you want. Let me try with plus. Enter name is skill up and age is 22, height is some 5.6, and gender. Here in gender you can give M or F or else male or female. Here I am not specifying, I want string with this length only, so I am giving M. So it is displaying like this. And now let's go for another one. Let's take email. Email is also input string only. So if you can observe here, I am not specifying anything like in email it should contain @ and .com. All these I am not mentioning. It is up to user only I am giving. Yeah, and we can specify like email, I want this type, I want @ to be included, and .in or .com should be there, and it should not include int numbers. Like this I can specify anything, and in my next video I am going to cover this email thing, so everyone can understand it. So print of email comma email. See, here I mentioned plus, so no gap is there in between these two strings. Let me try skill up 22 and then height is some 5.6 and gender is like, now I am giving female, and here I am not specifying like ABC. If you can give anything, because in a code it is not mentioned, and here also it is not mentioned anything, any specific requirements, so you can give anything as you wish. And you can include so many things like address, you can add date of birth. Date of birth also will be coming like string only. After that let me write to like date of birth. So in here I am specifying that please enter in this format, like format should be dd year. So here I am giving specification, but it ups to user, and he can give this or any other also, because in program I am not giving that user, like as you can see here in age I am giving integer. That means system will check if the user is giving integer or not. So but here in date of birth I am not giving anything like that to system to check or to validate. I am just specifying in text, so user might use this or not, it's up to them. So if he doesn't follow also nothing will happen. but when we are doing in big programs or implementing it, so then we can specify this. At now present I am not specifying it. Let's do something. And here also I am not giving anything. And date of birth, you can give anything, like it is not throwing any error if it is not the date of birth also. By because we are not specifying anything in this program code. So I hope you understand this. And you can include address will be also same as like all these things, all these strings. So this is the end of the video, and if you have any doubts you can comment below. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.